Lesson 5 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet extends the scale of G major to 2 octaves. This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet which you have downloaded from planzmusic.com. It is important that you follow all the instructions on this worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. We begin by addressing a common cause for confusion. If you play bottom B flat and press the speaker key, you will obtain F natural. When you play bottom B natural and press the speaker key, you get F sharp. In other words, the natural at the bottom does not turn into a natural in the second register. As with the scales of C major and A minor, you will cross the break using the natural break pattern. Here is the scale of G major for 2 octaves. The other scale introduced in Lesson 5 is E minor for a 12th, extending to B in the second register. You may remember learning about the sharp break pattern in Lesson 4, though you've not applied this in a scale yet. This is where you cross the break from A to right hand B followed by left hand C sharp. You will use the same fingerings for bottom E and F sharp in the scale of E minor. Exercise 6 will help you get used to this. You should also play B in the second register with the right hand, as you will need to use this fingering when extending the scale to 2 and eventually 3 octaves. The 7th note in the scale of E minor is D sharp. You should finger this with the right hand index finger. Exercise 7 helps you develop the coordination necessary for this. Here is the scale of E minor for a 12th. Everything in Lesson 5 features in Practice Plan 5. Be sure also to exercise all the other scales you have learnt, which are also listed here. Make sure you tick the boxes.